you're experiencing frame stuttering in FIFA 24, follow these steps to help unlock smoother gameplay. This guide will walk you through various adjustments to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the recommended specs, consider upgrading components like your GPU or RAM. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly enhance performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution and reduce the quality of textures, shadows, and effects. Experiment with these settings to find a balance between visual quality and performance. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing FIFA 24. Programs that consume a lot of CPU or RAM can interfere with the game's performance, leading to stuttering. Step 5. Optimize game mode. If you're using a gaming laptop or PC, switch to game mode in Windows settings. This mode prioritizes gaming performance by allocating more resources to the game and minimizing background tasks. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame rates and a reduction in stuttering while playing FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming.